Hello and welcome back to Connor's Crypto Trading. In this video, we're going to be talking about Turbo, short-term upside targets and short-term downside targets, as well as long-term upside targets. Well, since the last video, we broke below the 618 and we went down to exactly where I said we'd go down to, which was this high, or lower high. And since then we have bounced back up to the 618. And that was about 35%. Now the question is, will it hold the 618? Will we get a weekly close at the 618? So far we have, but will it get another is the question. Your downside targets are back down to the 618, which is at 570th of a cent. That's about 30% or about 20%. And if it breaks that, we will retest this low down at 470th of a cent. And if it breaks that, it can come all the way back down to these highs, these lower highs, at 370th of a cent. Now to the upside, next target is the 0.5, which is 730th of a cent. And from where we're at, it's about 15%. We get another weekly close up there and come up to the 382, and that's about 40%. And then after that, it's the 236, and that's 74%. Now your highest short-term targets would be to break the 236, come back up to the macro 382, and that is about 90% at the macro 382. Can't see what the price is. It's about a little over 1/10 of a cent. 1.2 of a cent. And after that, the 0.5, which is 1.5 of a cent. And that's 150%, 146%, give or take. Now your long-term upside targets would to be break out of the 1618, and that's at 1/2 cent. And that's about almost 700%. Once it does that, it can come up to the 2618, and that's just under a cent. And after the 2618 is the 3618, and that's a little over 1 cent, and that is 1600%. I wouldn't expect those targets till the end of this year, to at least the spring of 2025. And the reason why we went down was because of the dollar gaining strength. If you didn't know, the stock market has been in a downtrend for the past at least 2 weeks. And if we go to when we capitulated here, that was on the 8th of April. So if we go to the DXY, the DXY was pumping. Had this pretty good sized candle here, and then another weekly close above that candle. So the dollar's looking pretty strong. That's because of the war with Iran and Israel. The dollar is gaining strength because of the war. And we will see further downside prices if the dollar continues to pump. Bitcoin will go down. If we break this high, Bitcoin will probably go down to the 50K range, as low as 52,000. And that will send Casper, if we go back to Casper now, Turbo, Turbo will go down to those lower targets, break these lows. It'll trickle down back down to 450th of a cent. That would be an incredible buying opportunity. Now I wouldn't expect 1 cent to as high as 3 cents until at least the fall of 2024 to the spring of 2025. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your night or day.